Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick comparison between Pipedrive and Zoho CRM. This is useful to help you choose the best CRM to your business in 2025. So make sure that you have the access to the full version or plan to see all features. So for the first one, which is the interface and usability, for Pipedrive, it has a clean visual pipeline and easy drag and drop. For the CRM, it is feature-rich and has more complex interface that may take longer to set up. So for the second one, which is their features, for Pipedrive, it has pipeline management, email tracking, deals, and simple automation. For Zaha CRM, it has advanced analytics, marketing automation, custom modules, and multi-channel support. Third, which is the integrations. Pipedrive integrates with MailChimp, Zapier, SendPulse, and Google Workspace, while Zoho CRM integrates with Zoho Suite, Microsoft 365, and Shopify, and so on. For the pricing, Pipedrive has affordable plans starting around $15 to $29 a month, while Zoho CRM is flexible but slightly more expensive for advanced features. So for best use cases, you can choose Pipedrive if you want simplicity and fast sales tracking, and you can choose Zoho CRM if you need advanced analytics, marketing, and custom workflows. And yeah, that's the detailed comparison between Pipedrive and Zoho CRM. Choose the one that suits your business needs best. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and listening, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you and have an awesome day.